Hey guys, if you want to learn how to get curls like mine, stay tuned. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Okay guys, so here's just a closer up of my hair. It's just really frizzy and messy. The products I will be trying are the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, their Curl Smoothie, some sunflower oil, a 3-row comb, I got mine from Sally's, Wetline Xtreme gel, and make sure your hair is fully washed. The first step is to just re-wet your hair and make sure it's dripping wet before you put the product in. Now I'm just going to go in with the leave-in conditioner and get it through my whole head. Now I'm going to take the curl smoothie and do the same thing I did with the leave-in conditioner. Make sure to keep your hair dripping wet. I'm going to add more of the curl smoothie because it definitely wasn't enough to moisturize my hair. Now put your hair up and work in smaller sections. Make sure your hair is still wet and add your gel. When you see that, that's how you know the gel is working. Now take your 3-row comb and comb it through to coat each strand. I like to put a little oil on after the gel just so there's no gel cast. Now here's where the curls come in. Now you're going to feel with your finger where each curl separates and just twist it around your finger. Now take another section and do the same thing. See how you can see the curls forming and see them separate from each other? Just twist them with your finger. If you're having trouble separating a curl, recomb it. Okay guys, so this is my hair when I'm finally done. It only took me about 20 minutes to do all my curls. Now I'm going to diffuse my hair on low heat and low speed. Make sure to go low heat so your hair doesn't dry out and get frizzy. Be sure to scrunch the dryer up into your hair so your hair sits up. Also be sure to keep flipping your hair around just so it doesn't try to part itself. Now what I like to do before bed is get a shoelace and just tie it in the back to keep my hair up, and it'll help give it shape in the morning.
Boy, if you don't...
Okay, so I just woke up and this is what my hair is looking like. Now I'm just going to take my shoelace out of my hair. Now just shake your hair out until it gets a different shape. Now I like to take some oil just for shine and to really get rid of any gel cast if there's any in my hair. Now you can pick it or do whatever else if you want more volume and shape. And here's a closer up of my hair. If you want more hair videos, like and subscribe and let me know.